So you want to be the next big YouTuber, huh? But there's one tiny problem. Your bank account is allergic to spending money. Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll show you how to build a full YouTube setup for under $100. Yes, that's cheaper than most monthly rent payments, if you live under a rock. From cameras to lighting to audio, we're going cheap but not trashy. Plus, I'll even throw in some side-by-side comparisons to fancy, overpriced gear so you can laugh at what you're not spending. Ready? Let's roll. Let's talk cameras. If you've got a smartphone in your pocket, congrats. You're halfway there. Seriously, your phone is basically a Swiss Army knife with a camera slapped on. Most phones today can record in crispy 1080p or even 4K. Bonus points if you clean your lens first. So it doesn't look like you're filming through a grease-stained napkin. But maybe you're thinking, nah, I need a real camera. Cool. Let me introduce you to the Logitech C920 webcam, an absolute legend in the budget creator community. For $60, this little guy will make you look sharp and professional without making your wallet file for bankruptcy. Compare that to a Canon DSLR for $700. Sure, you'll look amazing, but you'll also be eating instant ramen for 6 months. Okay, here's a hard truth. Bad audio is worse than bad video. If your sound quality makes people think you're recording from a submarine, they're clicking away faster than you can say, please subscribe. Enter the Boya by M1 Lav Mic. For just $20, this little gadget clips onto your shirt and instantly makes you sound like a podcast host.
This is how the audio would sound using the internal microphone.
Now I'm recording directly into the Rode Rec app on my iPhone 7 Plus, and you should theoretically be able to use this mic on any smartphone that has a 3.5mm TRRS plug. Now I'm recording directly to my MacBook Pro plugged into the 3.5mm TRRS jack with my microphone input gain set at around 14%, and this is how the microphone sounds. Now I have the microphone connected directly to the TRRS jack on my Windows 10 machine. The input volume is set at around 80%, and the microphone boost is at plus 20 decibels, and this is how the microphone sounds.
It's small, affordable, and works with phones, cameras, or even your potato of a laptop. If you're feeling fancy, there's the Blue Yeti mic for $130. But at that price, it better come with a personal assistant to edit your videos too. Lighting is what separates "oh wow" from "oh no." Don't let your videos look like they were shot in a dungeon. For just $20, grab a basic LED ring light from Amazon. It's compact, bright, and perfect for making your face look less like a shadowy blob. If you're broke and crafty, here's a hack. Steal your desk lamp, point it at your face, and throw a piece of white paper over it to diffuse the light. Cost? $0. Risk? Only if you set your paper on fire. Compare this to professional softbox lighting, which can run you $100 per light. Great investment, but for now, let's keep the lights on and the bills paid. Nobody wants to watch a video that looks like it was filmed by a caffeinated squirrel. Stabilize your shots with a basic tripod, like the Amazon Basics tripod for $15. It's lightweight, sturdy, and won't collapse under the weight of your dreams. Filming with your phone? Pick up a tripod adapter for $5. Total cost? $20. Compare that to a motorized gimbal at $300. Sure, gimbals are cool, but let's be real. You're not filming a Hollywood action movie, not yet anyway. Let's talk editing. You don't need to sell your soul to Adobe for $20 a month. Instead, download DaVinci Resolve. It's free, powerful, and makes your videos look like a pro did it. Other free options? Try Shotcut for something simple or iMovie if you're in the Apple ecosystem. Compare this to Adobe Premiere Pro, which will slowly drain your bank account faster than your Starbucks addiction. So here's the math. Smartphone camera, $0. Boya mic, $20. Ring light, $20. Tripod, $15. Editing software, $0. Total, just $55. Even if you add the Logitech webcam for $60, you're still under $100. Compare that to a premium setup, costing $1,000 or more. And now you know why your wallet just breathed a sigh of relief. And there you have it, a full YouTube setup for less than the cost of a fancy dinner. Remember, you don't need the most expensive gear to start. What you need is creativity, consistency, and maybe a little patience when your first videos get 12 views. If you like this video, smash that like button like it owes you money, subscribe for more tips on growing your channel, and drop a comment with your favorite budget gear. Let's prove that you don't need to go broke to go viral. See you next time.